Exporting a Semrush dashboard allows you to share insights and data with colleagues or clients, providing a comprehensive overview of your digital marketing performance. To export a Semrush dashboard, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the dashboard you want to export. Once you are in the dashboard, click on the Share icon, which is usually located in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with various sharing options, including export. Select the export option to proceed. Next, choose the export format that suits your needs. Semrush offers various formats, including PDF, CSV, and Excel. If you want to export the dashboard as a visual report, choose the PDF format. If you need to analyze the data further, choose CSV or Excel. After selecting the export format, you can customize the export settings. You can choose to export the entire dashboard or select specific widgets to export. You can also select the date range for the data and the level of detail you want to include. When you have configured the export settings, click on the Export button to start the export process. Depending on the size of the dashboard and the amount of data, the export process may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the export is complete, you can download the file and share it with others. It is a good practice to review the exported file to ensure it includes all the necessary data and insights. You can also use the exported data to create custom reports or perform further analysis. Exporting a Semrush dashboard is a straightforward process that can help you share insights and data with others. By following these steps, you can easily export your Semrush dashboard and provide valuable information to your colleagues or clients.